Today we're going to create a mandala using only our name. For this project you will need vellum or tracing paper, a black permanent pen, and scissors. Begin by creating a circle on your tracing paper, either with a compass or with a circular object that you find to trace. Once you have your circle, cut it out and begin by folding it in half again, and one more time to create a total of 3 folds. Now you're going to begin to write your name in some type of block or bubble letters, making sure that the letters touch both the top and the bottom of your triangle. Sometimes you can stack your letters so that they don't touch both sides, but each letter should touch at least one side of this triangle. It will be a better design if they can touch both sides. If you're someone who's not very comfortable doing block letters right away, you can begin in pencil. Write out regular letters with your pencil lightly, and then use your pen to go around them to create a block letter. Once you have your first name written, unfold your circle to half. Find where your name sits in a new triangle on the circle and trace it again. You're eventually going to be tracing your name into all 8 of the triangles within the circle. Continue to unfold your circle and refold it down a new diameter to trace your name again. If you're having a hard time tracing, you can make your life a bit easier by putting a piece of white paper behind what you're tracing. Your lines will show up a lot more. When you've traced in all 8 of the circle segments, open up your design and touch up any places where your design does not quite connect. And then it's time to color. How did yours turn out? Leave me a comment below. Tell me about it. You can also like this video and subscribe to Art Saves the Day for more art tutorials for all ages.